Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7 FE, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our toggles by swiping down from the top right side, click on the power button, and then from the boot options, hold power off. You can see that when you hold it, it changes into safe mode, so we're just gonna click on it now. This will reboot the device and bring us to safe mode when it boots back up. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, which on Samsung, a lot of applications that you might expect to be default apps are actually not, which includes things like, for instance, calculator, contacts, browser, and most applications that are just Samsung versions. These get installed while you're going to the setup after you connect to network, which therefore don't fall under the category of default apps. And in that mode, obviously you won't be able to use them, open them, or anything like that. So you can see we have a safe mode marking right here in the corner, and on the second page most likely you can see we have all these applications that don't work right here. So we have Clock, Samsung Free, Game Hub, Calendar, Calculator, Notes, Tips, Members, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. So yeah, that's how you boot your device into safe mode, and once you're done with it and you want to go back to the normal mode, find the power button once more, and this time around just select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically enters normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.